Personal finance and investing go hand in hand. Personal finance involves managing your money effectively, including budgeting, saving, and managing debt. Investing, on the other hand, involves putting your money to work by purchasing assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. Investing is a key component of personal finance because it can help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. However, investing can also be risky, so it's important to educate yourself and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. By understanding personal finance and investing, you can take control of your financial future and work towards achieving financial freedom. How to start investing in the right way when you are in your 20s. Here are some points. 1. Set financial goals. The first step to starting investing is to set financial goals. This involves figuring out how much money you want to have and when you want to have it. Your goals will determine the types of investments you make and how much risk you're willing to take on. 2. Educate yourself. Investing can be complicated, so it's important to educate yourself before diving in. You can attend seminars, read books and articles, and talk to financial advisors to gain a better understanding of investing. 3. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. In fact, you can start with as little as $50 or $100. Starting small will help you gain experience without risking too much of your money. 4. Consider index funds. Index funds are a type of investment that tracks the performance of a market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer a low-cost way to invest in the stock market and are a good option for beginners. 5. Invest for the long-term. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get caught up in short-term fluctuations in the market. Instead, focus on investing for the long term and let your investments grow over time. 6. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of investments to reduce risk. 7. Understand risk. All investments come with risk. Make sure you understand the risks associated with each investment before making a decision. 8. Invest in what you know. Invest in companies or industries that you understand and are familiar with. This will help you make informed decisions and reduce your risk. 9. Keep emotions in check. Don't let your emotions drive your investment decisions. Stick to your plan and don't panic during market fluctuations. 10. Start now. The earlier you start investing, the more time your investments have to grow. Don't wait to start investing. The power of compounding interest means that even small investments made early on can grow into significant amounts of wealth over time. Keeping these things in mind can help how to invest and where to invest. For more such ideas, subscribe our channel Finance Chronicle.